Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup landing pages created with Unbounce detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup landing pages created with Unbounce, start by logging into your Unbounce account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where all your landing pages are displayed. Identify the landing page you wish to backup from the list. Click on the page to open the editing interface. In the top right corner, click on the Publish button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Publish to a custom domain option. If prompted, choose your domain from the available options. After selecting the domain, make sure to click the Publish button again to finalize. Now, return to the main dashboard. Click on the Page Variations tab to see all variations of your landing page. For each variation, repeat the publishing process to ensure all versions are backed up. Once you have published all variations, head to the Settings label in the upper right corner. Inside the settings, select the Export option located in the menu. You will see an option to export your landing page as a PDF file. Click Export and choose a location on your computer to save the PDF. After the export process completes, verify that the PDF file opens correctly. If you want to back up additional assets, such as images or fonts, download them from the Unbounce editor. Remember to save these assets in a designated folder on your computer. For a complete backup, consider using third-party tools or integrations that can automate this process. Make sure to regularly back up your landing pages to avoid any data loss in the future. Review your backed up files periodically to ensure everything works as intended. Now, you have a well-documented process for backing up your Unbounce landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.